Mga ka-co-op, tama ba ang pagkakarinig ko? Maaari nang makita ng co-op members ang kanilang co-op savings and loan accounts sa DigiCo-op app anytime and anywhere. Mga ka-DigiCo-op, may tama kayo. Hindi na kailangan pumunta ang inyong members sa inyong co-op para mag-inquire kung magkano ang laman ng kanilang co-op savings and loan accounts, dahil kahit nasaan man sila, for as long as meron silang DigiCo-op app, maaari na nila itong makita. Convenient, diba? Siyempre, hindi lang ito convenient for your members, convenient rin for your co-op, dahil mababawasan na ang over-the-counter balance inquiries sa inyong co-op, at mas maaasikaso na ng ating co-op staff ang mas importanteng day-to-day tasks. Oh, masaya diba? At para lubusang malaman kung paano ito gagawin, join na to our free DigiCo-op webinar, Link Your Cooperative's Savings and Loan Accounts to the DigiCo-op mobile app on October 13, 2023, at 10 a.m. Only here, at DigiCo-op. Register for the free DigiCo-op webinar today.